जो भी आपको
नहीं कितने समय की कीर्तन कर रही हैं? You started what time? 11. Oh, 1.5 hours. That must be tired, huh?
Tired before.
Huh?
I was tired before.
No, not even more
Yeah.
tired.
आप जो शब्द बोलो तो हरि करा बोलो हरि करना था ब्रज की कुछ कथा सुना ये सब ब्रजवासी है ना ओके अब ब्रज की कीर्तन कर रहे हैं सुनकर बहुत प्रसन्न हुए अब ब्रजवासी है
अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकाय कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरद्विषे नमः हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वामनसुते देवी प्रणमामि वृन्दाय तुलसीदेव्यै प्रियायै केशवस्य च कृष्णवल्लभदेवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव गौरभक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई ऑफर माय अनलिमिटेड obeisances to my Gurudev Nitya Leela Pravishta Om Vishnu Pada Ashtottara Shri Srimad Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. I also offer my unlimited obeisances to Gurudev Sri Bhakti Vedanta Bhagavan Goswami Maharaj and all our Guru Vargas, and then was to all Vaishnavis present here. So Maharajji said I should talk something about Vraj. So I was just thinking what to talk, and Braj is famous for Raganuga Bhakti or Prema Bhakti. So I just thought of speaking something about Prema Bhakti. So before Raganuga Bhakti, we need to understand what is Ragatmik Bhakti and who are Ragatmik Jan. So it is said in Shastras, Ishte Swarasiki Ragaha Paramavishtata Bhave Tanmayi Bhave Bhakti Satra Ragatmika Ude. So the ones who has love, who has prem in their constitutional structure, in their constitution, they are called Ragatmik. And who are those Ragatmik Jan? They are nothing but Braj Jan. So all Brajvasis are Ragatmik. And what is Raganuga? One who follows Ragatmik Jan are Raganuga. So it says, Virajantim Abhivaktam Brajavasi Janadeshu Ragatmika Manushrite Yasa Raganuga Uchate. So one who follows the mood, one who follows the instruction, and one who follows the behavior of Brajvasis are Raganuga Jan. So if we try to follow Brajvasis and how they think, how they love, how they behave, how they reciprocate with Krishna, we will be called Raganuga one day. So this prem, Braj prem, is in their constitution. They love Krishna, no one other than Krishna. So and Krishna also reciprocates in the same way. Krishna has said in Bhagavad Gita, one who loves me, I love in the same fashion, in the same way. So, but Krishna loves person who do sadhan bhakti, one who worships him, one who does kirtan for him, one who offers something to him. Krishna surely loves him, but he doesn't get controlled by that kind of sadhan, that kind of bhajan. He gets controlled by love, and this love is something special, and that is the speciality of Braj. So I think of a couple of instances where this prem, this love, has bound Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is controlled by love and not by sadhan. So it is one of the example is when Krishna goes to Hastinapur for pacifying and for thinking of meditating and think of avoiding the war. And that time Duryodhana offered him a big feast. But Krishna said, "Oh, I am not hungry. I don't want to eat here." And as soon as he comes out of the palace, he sees Vidura's small hut. And Krishna immediately started following hunger. And Krishna said, "Yes, I want to eat something here." And he goes in Vidur's house and eat, what does he eat? He eat the banana peels, not even the banana. Vidurani is just offering it because of her love. Krishna is accepting the peels and Vidurani is throwing the bananas. And when Vidur comes and see, "Oh, what are you doing? You are offering peels to Bhagavan?" She says, "I don't know what I am doing." And Krishna says, "Stop. Don't tell anything to her. I am enjoying these peels so much because those peels are filled with prem. Those peels are filled with love." So that is how Bhagavan gets controlled, with the love, not by what we offer and not by how we offer. But how we offer is very important, more than what we offer. So that is the beauty of love. That is the beauty of prem, of Braj. In another example, in Ram Leela, when Ram enters into the forest, and there were so many Rishi Munis, there were so many saints, so many devotees, and everyone wanted to call Rama, "Oh Rama, come to our place, come to our mat." But Rama said, "No, I don't want to go there." And Rama went to Shabri's hut. And what Shabri is offering? Shabri is offering the small bear, and that too tasted by herself. So Shabri just want to ensure that whatever she offers to Rama is full of is sweet, and that sweetness is coming from her love. And Ram also wants to accept that sweetness rather than the fruits that she is offering. So that is what the importance of love is, and that's what is Braj Bhakti is. And one who follows it, one who does the anugatya of Brajvasis is Raganu. So as Maharajji tells us Harikatha, Maharajji talks about Braj Bhakti. One day we will also get to know about it, and we will try to follow what this Braj Prem is and what this Braj Bhakti is. So I think that's what Braj Bhakti is, and that is the differentiator between the Sadhan Bhakti and Prema Bhakti. And our Acharyas, especially Rup Goswami, is the one who brought this Bhakti Ras. Bhakti is a ras, is defined by Rupa Goswami, and this Prem is something that bounds Bhagavan. So that is the differentiator, that is the importance of Braj Bhakti. So I just wanted to talk about it shortly, and that is what we want to hear more from Maharaj. Hare Krishna. Vanchakalpatarubhyascha kripasindubhyascha pattanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo
अरे बहुत दिन तो सुने अरे बोला अरे फिर दो शब्द बोलना क्या क्या सुना हाँ
No, I'm not. It's okay.
It's your time to shine.
मंदिर में आना पड़ेगा ना हर रोज
ज्ञानतीर्मनन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो महावदनाय कृष्णप्रेमपदाय ते कृष्णाय कृष्णचरणनाम्ने गोपीशाय तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी विश्वभानुसुन्दरी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेशु गोपिकाकं नमस्ते वृन्दाय गोपीदेवाय प्रिय केशव श्री कृष्ण भक्ति करे सत्य। First of all, my humble wishes unto my Shri Gurudev Maharaj, Shri Gurudev Maharaj, and Shri Prabhupada and thank you Guru Parampa, and Shri Bhaktivedanta Shri Narayan Maharaj, Shri Bhaktivedanta Baba Goswami Maharaj, Shri Bhakti Vigyan Bhakti Goswami Maharaj, Shri Puja Bhakti Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and entire Vaishnava Vaishnavi present here. I don't have right to speak Maharaj because I'm not qualified, but I have to honor your order. So I will speak which I heard from Vaishnava and Gurudev. Our Guru Maharaj used to say one thing, like a couple of things. they only used to give us teaching, especially the teaching about Dhruv and Prahlad. Like Guru Maharaj always asked us to read and listen Dhruv Maharaj Katha and Prahlad Maharaj, because in Chaitanya in Puri, Jagannath Puri, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to listen from the Pandit more than 100 times Prahlad Maharaj Charitra. He always emphasized to listen only to Prahlad Maharaj, because we are learning lots of things from Prahlad Maharaj, how he tolerated of like his father, he was trying to kill him from so many, from various kind of like actually like he tried to kill him under the I don't know how to say in English. कैसे बोलते हैं प्रभु जी?
Snakes
He tried many ways to
many
kill
ways,
him.
like kill him like elephant to kill you know, and also he tried to
Throw him from the mountain.
yeah, the cow, and also he put him in the snake cave. So there are many ways, but he haven't
He could not succeed.
because he has 100% surrendering the under the feet of Lord Krishna. And then this way, our Guru Maharaj especially say, one Mataji, she came from Punjab and came to Gurudev in Chandigarh, and she asked to Gurudev, hey Gurudev, I'm so worried about my husband and my family. They used to beat me and they always fight with me, and I'm not able to stay with them at longer. I'm going to apply for the divorce. There are lots of things going in my family, and I'm not able to do bhajan while staying in my home. And then Guru Maharaj said, okay, have you listened Prahlad and Dhruv Prahlad Maharaj and Dhruv Prahlad Charitra? She said, yes, I heard. And Gurudev said, so what you learned from Prahlad Charitra? And the Mataji said, I just listened, but I don't know what is the conclusion for that. And then Gurudev said, I will speak in Hindi a little bit. Guru Maharaj said, जैसे प्रहलाद महाराज जी को इतने यातनाएं दी गई, उतनी तो आपको नहीं दी गई ना, इतना तो आपको नहीं कष्ट दिया गया ना. Then we have to be tolerant, right? We have to be like Tirna Dikti Sunachitra Rupeshanita Amani Manadin Kitani Sadahari. So Gurudev said, we always to see in others good quality and don't try to see fault in others. If you're going to see fault in others, you will not progress in your bhajan sadhana. So always try to concentrate on your bhajan. Guru Maharaj always say, one couple of brahmachari, they come once time in Calcutta Math, and Srila Bhakti Kumar Sant Goswami Maharaj Ji, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj Ji, and Srila Gurudev, they sit in the room, and brahmachari, they talk to Gurudev and say, Guru Maharaj Ji, other brahmachari, it's really hard to live in this month. There are lots of going on things. Why you are not trying to solve this problem? So Bhakti Kumar Sant Goswami Maharaj Ji, he get angry immediately, and he say, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami say, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Maharaj say, I don't have time to chant Harinam properly. How you guys getting the see fault in others? You should concentrate on your bhajan. That's the most important. If you are going to put your 100% effort on Harinam and Sadhana, you will not get time to see fault in others. So there are lots of teachings. I don't have much time, and I'm sorry, Maharaji, I speak too fast. This is my nature. I can speak slow. So, Vansha Kalpati Patinda.
अच्छा बोल हाँ ओके ज़्यादा समय नहीं देते भी गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः वन्दे गुरुपददन्तं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितम् नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनो मनोहरम् तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना एते विज्ञाय तेराधीतं नयामि चरणान्तिके श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Pravishta, Om Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Pravishta Vishnupad, Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhavan Goswami Maharaj. So, lotus feet of Nitya Pravishta Vishnupad, Ashtutara Bhakti Vedanta Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vallabh Tirtha Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas, and presented all of my respectful guests. I will not take too much of time, so long time you also singing, and I think you are prepared. Also, you are very hungry. Otherwise, if you not take prasad, then you will become angry. Yeah. Hungry. Anyhow, just I speak few words. The purification of my tongue. जिहाद शुद्धि के लिए 2 शब्द बोलता हूँ. You also very nicely sang many Braj mood, Braj kirtan. All you are so kind and absorbed in Braj mood also. Not many few devotees also, but all they are expert in Braj Bhakti, Braj Prem. So very beautiful this place also. And especially you will come. What is your name, Prabhu? Didi? Deepika. What is your husband's name? How you are not married? Okay, that's good also. Give good or not? Our house is as like Vrindavan. वृंदावन को बास भलो जहा बहे जमुना पटरानी. अच्छा है ना? हाँ. Shastra is saying also, don't go to Maya. Understand? Morning I told, if you go to Maya, very difficult to come back. Not so easy. Anyhow, दिल्ली के लड्डू जो खाया वो भी पछताया, जो दिल्ली के लड्डू नहीं खाया वो भी पछताया. What is the meaning? One who ate Delhi laddu, he is thinking, oh my God, why did I eat? Or who did not eat, why did not get this? That means you are. Who married, then thinking, oh my God, why did I marry? Big problem. Or who did not marry, then thinking, what is that? What is that? So, Hindi proverbs और से दिल्ली के लड्डू जो खाया वो भी पछताया, और जो नहीं खाया वो भी पछताया. Anyhow, you are householder or renounced person, this is not our subject. Subject is how to enter in Shuddha Bhakti. Braj Prema Bhakti is very important. you know, there are two kinds of bhakti. One is called Vaidhi Bhakti, another is called Braj Raganuga Bhakti. And so, Braj Raganuga Bhakti, this is very important in our spiritual life. But just you also explain which is called Brajavasi. Iste Sarasya Raga Param Avishtata Bhavet Tanamaito Bhavidhudasa Ragatmika Kodita. A Ragatmika Unisida Jasa Raganuga Uchyate. Virajanta Vibhyaktam Brajavasi Janadisu. Those are eternally associated to Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. In their heart, spontaneous love and affection with Krishna. And for this regard, in their heart, two symptoms. Iste Sarasya Raga or Param Avishtata Bhavit. Iste Sarasya Raga. According to their mood, Dasa Sakha Vatsalar Madhurya mood, they absorb with Krishna. Is saying Iste Sarasya Raga. Or Param Avishtata. Or another, that is called Avishtata, means 24 hours they absorb. And whatever they are doing, they never forget to Krishna. And Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete Govinda Damo. The Suddha Brajavasis, pure devotee of Brajavasis. In their heart, one thing also, that is called, they always make friendship with Krishna as like their family member. Loki Sadbandhuvat Priti. And Tad Dukhe Dukitta, Tad Sukhe Sukitta. If Krishna is a little bit sick, they are also feeling sickness. If Krishna is happy, they also become happy. This is done. So, in this way, they are called Nitya Siddha Parikar, eternal associated to Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. Like Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, Radha, Lalita, Visakha, all the Sakhis. And according to their mood, they also serve to Krishna. Or one who thinks, I will serve to Krishna, one special mood, Sakha, Vatsalar, Madhurya, they have to follow the instruction or under guidance of Brajavasi. That is called Brajavasi Anugattamai Seva. So in this way, explain this way. Or Vaidhi Bhakti, those who have no spontaneous love and affection with Krishna, just follow the rules and regulations of the Shastra. Because Shastra is saying, if you not follow these rules, then you will go hell. So Vaidhi Bhakti is this way. That is called Shastra Anusasanamai Bhakti. What is it? Shastra Anusasan. Shastra is saying this way, you have to follow this. And if you not observe Ekadashi Tithi, then you will go hell and you will suffer. And for this regard, they are observed Ekadashi Tithi. Why they are observing Ekadashi Tithi? Because their Shastra is saying, if you not observe Ekadashi Tithi, in the day of Ekadashi, there are so many, and sinful activity remains in 5 types of grains, then you will go hell. So that means that person, he observed Ekadashi Tithi for the instruction of Shastra. For this regard is called Shastra Anusasanamai Bhakti. What is it? Shastra Anusasanamai Bhakti. Also, Vaidhi Bhakti, another name is called Bhayotpadika Bhakti. Bhaya means fear. Oh, if I not follow the rules, then I will go hell. Bhayotpadika Bhakti. Many in this way. Another Vaidhi Bhakti, they also only thinks Krishna is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. Vaisarja Buddhi is Bhagavan, he is the supreme personality of God. Or Brajavasi, they never think Krishna is Bhagavan. they saw many opulence of Krishna. But they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Dekhilo Oishwarya, Namane Oishwarya. Brajavasi, they saw Krishna lifted Giriraj Govardhan 7 days and 7 nights. They saw not. Brajavasi, they saw Krishna dance on the woods of Kalyanag. If you will coming on the flag snake, you will sit or here or not? All who ran away. Look this. But Brajavasi, they saw Krishna dance on the woods of Kalya. Tajan tajan, Tandava nittam dittam. But Brajavasi, they don't believe Krishna is Bhagavan. Because in their heart, one thing that is called Nandananta Abhiman. Krishna is my family's member. He is the son of Nanda Maharaj. This is the thing. This is the Nandananta Abhiman. Abhiman means ego. Krishna is only the son of Nanda Maharaj. And in this way, they make friendship with Krishna. Subal, Sridham, they make friendship with Krishna as like their friend. Sometimes they grabbed on the shoulder of Krishna. And sometimes they also feed to Krishna their own remnants. Look this. And they also taking very nice, beautiful, sweet, juicy fruits, eating something, half portion eating and half portion feed to Krishna. Just you told, the Sabari, he collects some fruits. But she collects some fruits, which fruits are coming from the very nice, beautiful trees. But she did not give her own remnants. Not possible. Gurudev always chastise, hey, how possible? Because they are saying Ramchandra is Bhagavan, Bhagavad Buddhi. Sabari, he cannot give her his own remnants to Krishna. And her remnants to Ramchandra. They are always the thing, Ramchandra is Bhagavan. And Ramchandra, he is also Marjada Purushottam. Marjada means always following the rules and regulations of the society. Raghukula riti sada chariyai prana jai boru vachana na jai. This is the thing. Very strict. And he is Kshatriya also. Kshatriya understand? Very serious. Our Krishna is called Vaisya Jati. Always very nice, beautiful, jolly, laughing, love and affection. And all Brajavasis also make friendship with him. So Nandananta Abhiman. So Chaitanya Charitamrita excellence. Sakha sakha bhavi kare skandhyarohan. Tumi kon bade lok, ami tumi sama. Sometimes Subal Sridham, they also quarrel with Krishna. Hey Krishna, you are not higher than us. Your father Nanda Maharaj has only 9 lakhs cows, 900,000 cows. Or Sridham, he says, my father Vishabhanu Maharaj has 11 lakhs, 1100,000 cows. So who is higher? Vishabhanu Maharaj. And in this way, they quarrel also this way. Sometimes they will go to compromise. Okay, Sakha sakha bhave skandhya arohan, tumi kon bada lok, ami tumi sama. Okay, now equal also. Sometimes they look this how they have love and affection with Krishna. Brajavasi means this way. Nanda Jasoda, they have love and affection with Krishna as like they are innocent baby. They are thinking Krishna is our completely innocent baby. Mata Mari Putra Bhavi Kare Lalana Palan. Krishna says, my mother Jasoda nourishment me as like her innocent baby. Or Krishna also doing this way also. Nanda Maharaj sometimes says, hey Gopal, bring my shoes, wooden shoes. Then Krishna tried to, pulled out. That the wooden shoes. Maybe 1 inch, 2 inch, and pull. Then Krishna fall down. And crying this. Look this. Whose last fiction, Krishna's last fiction, that is called Anantadi Bhagavan. Who always holding millions universe on his hood. Ananta Bhagavan. Now same Nandanandan Krishna, Jasodanandan Nandanandan Krishna. He could not hold Nanda Maharaj wooden shoes and he falling down. Look this, Leela is coming this. Sometimes Mother Jasoda heavy chastised to him also. Namami Saram Satchidanandarupam Lasad Kundalam Gokule Vrajamanam Jasoda Bhiyolu Khalabdhabamanam Paramrishtamattam Atadrutta Gopa Rudantang Murnetram Jugmamrijantam Kharamboja Jugmena Satankanetram Mursasakamba Srikhangkakantha Sitagaye Vadamo Darang Bhakti Vadam Namami Saram Satchidanandarupam Lasad Kundalam Akule Rajamana Jasoda Bhiyolu Khalabdhabamana Paramrishtamattam Tata Drutta Gopa Rodantang Murnetra Jugmamijantam Karamboja Jugmena Satankanetram Muhursasakamba Srirekhankakantha Sitagaye Vadamo Darang Bhakti Vadam Namami Saram Satchidanandarupam Lasad Kundalam Gokule Rajaman. Satabhrata Muni, very nicely painted Krishna's very nice, beautiful, sweet Leela also this. This is coming from Padma Puran, Damodar Ashtakam. And Srimad Bhagavatam Sukdev Goswami also told to Parikshit Maharaj about Dambandha Leela also. But mainly in Padma Puran, Satabhrata Muni, he recited Krishna's very nice, beautiful childhood pastimes. Very beautiful these are. Krishna, who is called the Supreme Personality of God, is saying Bhagavan. Iti chansa kala pungsa Krishnastu Bhagavan Swayam. Brahma, Shiva, Narad, all they paid their obeisance at the feet of Krishna. Govindam Adi Purusham Tamahang Bhajami. Isara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadir Adi Govindam Sarva Karana Karana. Now same Nandanandan Krishna, Jasodanandan Krishna. Jasoda Bhiyolu Khalabdavamanam Paramrishtamattam Tatadrutta Guppa Rudantam Muhurinitra Jugma Mrijantam Karambhuja Jugmeno Satanka Netram Muri Sasa Kampa Stirekanka Kanta Siddhavaiva Damo Dharam Bhakti Bandha. Yeah, very nice, beautiful painting. Yeah, look this thing. Though Krishna is Supreme Personality of God, saying Bhagavan, all the elevated Vaishnava, Brahma, Shiva, Narada, always paid their obeisances lotus feet of Krishna. Yeah? Now same Krishna is afraid from Mother Yashoda, and Mother Yashoda took one stick and tried to beat him. Yeah? Look this. And Krishna is thinking himself also, I am offender, aparadhi. Because Krishna, 2 offenses he did, aparadha. First, he also broke the yogurt pot. Yeah? Or second, he also wasted all the butter which was staying in the, what is called, Sikame rakha tha. Hung in the wrap. And he also, not only this, also throwing towards the monkey and crows. So Mother Yashoda is trying to chastise him. When Mother Yashoda came in that room, then Krishna jumped from the udukal and grinding mortal and coming in outside and running this way. And Mother Yashoda, she also chasing behind him. Krishna is running. And that time Krishna's form is very beautiful and attractive. Not so many cloths in his body. Only his waist, one very nice, beautiful kardhani. Kardhani, understand? One kind of ornaments, waist belt. Completely naked. And he was running. And Mother Yashoda, she also chasing behind to him. And then finally Mother Yashoda cut his back. Paramishtramattam tatadruta guppa. And Mother Yashoda also saying, I will beat you. Then Krishna saying, my mother, don't beat me. This, how is beautiful this sign, scenario is coming this way. And Krishna acting this role, very beautiful role. Shedding tears from his eyes. And again he also rubbed his eyes. For this regard, all the kajal of his eyes, kajal, understand? And completely what? Mixed. Very nice, beautiful. And thus it also very nice, beautiful form is coming. What Krishna is doing, that is also beautiful. And for this regard, Balhavacharya wrote this. Adharang madhurang nayanang madhurang adharang madhurang nayanang madhuram chalitang madhurang gamitang madhuram madhuradhipate akhilam madhuram nayanang madhuram chalitang madhuram gamitang madhuram hasitang madhuram madhuradhipate akhilam madhuram. When if you put very nice beautiful ornaments in your body, then you are very nice, beautiful, attractive. Especially at the time of marriage ceremony, bride and bridegroom. That time their body is very nice, beautiful, attractive. This is true. But Krishna, whatever is coming, that is your beauty. And all these ornaments, they also decorate Krishna's beauty. You understand? So Krishna is crying and also saying, Mother, Ma Yashoda, don't beat me. And the Mother Yashoda will say, no, I have to chastise you. I have to bind to you. Then Krishna is crying. So the Rudantang Muhur Netra जुग्म मृजंतम कराम्बुज जुग्मेनो सातंक नेत्रम मुहूर्षास कंप स्त्रीरेखांक कंठ स्थित गैव दामो दरंग भक्ति बंध. And Krishna afraid from Mother Yashoda. And he is taking the long breath. Understand? Baby are very clever. Understand? Nothing happened. Mother did be said, then the baby is baby is very clever. The baby knows. Yeah, I will cry, then mother will not beat me. This lila is going on this. What is it? Idanta. Idanta Mukhambujo. In this way, Krishna performs sweet lila also. And he is giving so much pleasure to all the Brajavasis. Idante muhur netra jugma mrijantam karambuja jugmene satanka netram muhur sasa kampo stirekanka kanta stita gaiva damo darang bhakti bandham. How is he doing this lila also? And Krishna performs all his lila as a human being, Narvata lila. Krishna's lila is very sweet and attractive. Why? Bale Krishna jate khela sarvottam naralila narabapu tahara sarup gopavese benukar gopavese benukar navakishor natavar naralilar hoy onuru. Mahaprabhu told, Krishna saru vichar suna sanatan hadday gyan tatta braje brajendra nandan. And philosophy coming. Krishna is called Advai Gyan Paratattva. What did he say? Phala. What did he say? Advai Gyan Paratattva. Not Dayam, he is non-dual. And he is one. And Partha, he is the supreme personality of Godhead. Advai Gyan Paratattva. Krishna jate khela sarvattam naralila narabapu tahara sarup gopaves benukar navakishor natavar naralilar hoy onurup. Mahaprabhu very nicely glorified about Krishna's and sweet lila these also. And everybody has practiced. Govinda is how is beautiful form. Nandanandan Krishna. Other incarnation of Lord you cannot see this way. Ramchandra is Bhagavan, this is true. But he is not Swayam Bhagavan. He is called Bhagavan. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. But he is not Swayam Bhagavan. Or Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan. Ete changsa kalapungsa, Krishnastu Bhagavan, Swayam Bhagavan. He is Swayam. So now coming in this Nandananatta, Abhiman. This is coming. This lila is going to Brajavasis. So for the iste sarasika rago param avishtata bhavit tanmaito bhavadhudosa ragatmika kadita. A ragatmika anusrita jasa raganuga uchyate. One who perform bhajan and sadhan under guidance of Brajavasis, they are called raganuga jan. If you want to serve to Krishna in the mood of Vatsalya Bhav, then you have to surrender to the spirit of Nanda Jasoda. Nanda Jasoda Anugattamai Seva. And Nanda Jasoda, they are called Ragatmik Jan, eternal associates of Krishna. There are two symptoms there. Iste Sarasiraga or Param Avishrata Bhavit. So now coming in this way, Brajavasis, how they have love and affection with Krishna. And they, 1 second they cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. This is also one thing. For this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Sikshastak, he recited this verse. Jugaita nivesanam chakusha pabrishaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam viraheno me. Brajavasis is out there. This mood. 1 second they cannot tolerate separation from Krishna. Viraha. So saying this. Yugaita nivesanam chakusha pabrishaitam sunnaitam jagata sarvam govindam viraheno me. So now coming in this way, Brajavasi means this way. Are those who are devotee of Madhurya Ras, Singar mode, as like Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, Rupmanjari, Ratimanjari, how they have love and affection with Krishna. Nandananta Bhav also. And Paraketta Bhav, Paramur mode with Krishna. Very sweet Katha is there also. And Krishna also completely surrender with Srimati Radhika. Ashlisava Padaratang Pinastuma Mat Adarsanat Karatuba Jatha Tathava Vidodhatu Lampato Mat Prananathastu Sa Eva Naparaha. Sixth last verse. Ashlisava Srimati Radhika is saying, Krishna embraced to me or kicked out to me, or he can rub to me with his feet. Pinastumang. Mad adarsanat karduba. He gave me darshan or maybe no problem. Mad adarsan karduba. Jatha tatava vidodhatu lampato. Even Krishna, he is called Lampat. Lampat, understand? Dabuchi. Dabuchi, okay. Still Lampat. In this material world, not possible. No one can tolerate it. But the Srimati Radhika says, no problem. But Krishna is my heart and soul. Vidhatu alampra mat prananathastoibu saeva napara. Nandanandan Krishna. We will give up the relation with our brothers. Bhaiya Taju, Maya Taju. Maybe we will give up the relation with our parents. Maya Taju, Bhaiya Taju. Gaya Taju, give up the cows, everything. But we will never give up our beloved Krishna. Saying the Brajavasi they say, Maya Taju, Bhaiya Taju, Kanhaiya, Kabhu Nahi Taju. Look this. How they are nistha with Krishna. 24 hours they absorb with Krishna. Nandanandanat Krishna. Nandanandan Krishna. He is my heart and soul. This mode is there. Govinda is. For this regard, Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete. Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete. Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete. Govinda Damo Dharmadhavete. He Krishna, He Jadava, He Sakheti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti, Govinda Damodara Madhaveti. Especially Radha, Lalita, Vishakha, Manjaris. How they have love and affection with Krishna. Whatever they are doing, household duties, always they remember to Krishna. Jadohane, Abahane, Matana Prarepa. Prenchai Chanadvo, Rudito, Chanmarjan Adu. Gayanti Chaino, Anurakta, Dhiosrukanta, Dhanna, Brijastriyo, Urukrama Chitta Janu. Their life here is only Nandanandan Krishna. One second they cannot forget to Krishna. Crying and crying. Look this. Biraha. Because prem depends on two things. One is called meeting, another is called separation. Biraha and Milan. Vipralamba and Sambhava. Nabina Vipralambe no Sambhava Pushti Smute Yatha Ranjate Kasayata Vastra. This separation nourishment to meeting also. Give an example, and if you take the cloth and put in the what is called? Dye. Which dye? Saffron dye. Not black, not yellow, not orange. Orange dye. Put in here. In the saffron dye. And more if you dye in that the cloth, then that cloth will be more delightfulness will come. Delightfulness will come. So in the same way, viraha, separation, nourishment to meeting. More viraha and more meeting, sweetness, and relish will come. This is the process also, asadhana, relishable, very nice, beautiful. Many things, if you read Ujjal Nirmani Grantha, they may understand. If I tell to you, you may not understand. Read with Ujjal Nirmani Grantha. How Brajavasi, especially gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. So saying the Nobina Vipralambeno Sambhaga Pusti Mastanute Jatha Kasaite Ranjita Vastra. So in this way, Brajavasis, then, especially gopis, they are moved in this way. And they suffering with all these Krishna. And so much happiness coming. And externally they are crying, but internally they are feeling so much happiness. Bahire hoy bisabodhi jala. And external they are feeling so much separation. While internally they are also feeling so much happiness. Jadi, these are things all. So what kinds of prem in their heart? For this Rupa Goswami Pada explained, and Adu Shraddha, Tato Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, then Bhav, and then Prema. Then Premas also different stages also there. Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Adhiruda, then Modan and Madanakka Mahabhav. Very difficult to understand, everyone. Not so easy. And Sarupa Goswami Pad very nicely give that definition. All these words also. What is called Sneha, what is called the Man, Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav. This is very important. Not only thus, what you are listening, you have to read. What is the meaning of Sneha? Chitta Dravagata iti Sneha. You have love and affection, your heart will be melt. That symptom will get tears rolling down from your eyes. आंखों से आंसू आएगा. चित्त द्रवीभूत होने से, if your heart will become melt, then your tears will be coming down. So sneha. So sneha, man, pranay, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav, ruda, udhiruda, mohon, modan, and madanakka mahabhav. All these symptoms is there. Because without reading Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu and Ujjal Nirmani, very difficult to understand the mood of Brajavasis. Why we are saying also Brajavasis. Brajavasis, they are eternal associated to Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. How they have love and affection with Krishna. And especially gopis, sometimes they use many harsh words. Priyajadi man kari kare vatsan, vedastuti hoite mor, hare mor man. Krishna says, when my beloved gopis, they become very angry with me and use many harsh words. You are stupid, nonsense, rascal. Sometimes they become very angry. Madhava, Madhava Jai, Madhava, Mahabhada, Kaitava. Hey Madhav, get out from our kunja. Srimati Radhika, she become very angry, Mandasha. Saying, Jat Kingru se boso kholu kaku bhani, nittang parasa purusha sikhanda mauli, jassa kada rasanidhi visavhanu jaya, tatkeli kunje bhavanangana marjanisham. When Srimati Radhika, she did man, very angry with Krishna. Because Krishna, he went in the kunja of Chandravali. Anyhow, Srimati Radhika, she realized, oh, Krishna is not coming in my kunja. Then Srimati Radhika, she did man. Then she is very angry. She says, her sakhis, no need decoration this kunja. And destroy all these things. She become very angry. Look this. And she closed the door of that kunja. Her Krishna, that time was the last minute Krishna came. And Krishna saw that time the door of Kunja completely was closed. Eh? So Krishna asked the gopis, the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, may I enter in the Kunja of Srimati Radhika? That time Sakhis they are saying, no. Now Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. But Krishna, very humble. Jat kinkurusu bhuso kholu kaku vani. Nityam parasa purusa sikhanda moudi. Jassa kadar sanidhi visavanu jaya. Tat keli kunje bhavanangana marjanisham. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad composed these words. Krishna, he is called Supreme Personality of God, is Son Bhagavan, Sikvincha Mauli. And now he is holding the lotus feet of Sakhis, Lalita, Visakha, Rup Manjari. Please, let me to allow to go to Kunja. But Sakhis, they are saying, no. Chalo. If Sakhis come in front of Srimati Radhika and saying, hey Radhe, give up your man, you meet with your beloved Krishna, then Srimati Radhika's anger will more increase, become very angry. She chastised all her Sakhis. Hey, get up. Understand? You are as like, what is called? Spy. The spy of Krishna. Get out here. Srimati Radhika BC become very angry. That time Sakhis, they report to Krishna. Hey Krishna, now Srimati Radhika, she is very angry. When her anger will coming down, then you can come. Krishna again and again bow down his forehead. Jat kinsu bhusa kholu kaku vani. Nityam parsa purusa sikhanda maule. Jassa kadar sanidhi visavanu jaya. Tat keli kunje bhavanangana marjanisha. Prabodhananda Saraswati. Krishna again and again bow down his forehead. Lotus feet of Sakhis of Srimati Radhika. But all the Sakhis, they kicked out. No, not possible. Sometimes Lalita Visakha, they give some instruction. Hey Krishna, now we'll go back to your place. Maybe after 1 hour, 2 hours, you come. When Srimati Radhika's, her man will be cooling down, that time will come. So Krishna, he left there the Kunja. But when Krishna left there the Kunja, then Srimati Radhika, she opened the door of her Kunja. Then Srimati Radhika, she is saying to Lalite, hey Lalite, where is my beloved Krishna? Crying. Without my beloved Krishna, how possible to survive my life? Srimati Radhika, she is singing this song also. Ese chilo Hari, Tarikano Jete Dili. Hari Krishna, he came in my Kunja. What did you allow to him to go out from my Kunja? Then Lalita Devi, she told, I told to you, hey Radhe, give up your man. But you did not listen, so what will do? But Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Sakhirit, Tomra to amar praner sakhi. Hidayer katha sab jani. Srimati Radhika, she says, all you are my sakhis, my heart. So, when I will become, when I give up my anger, then I can meet with my beloved Krishna. Why did you allow him to go out from my Kunja? Then Lalita Devi says, what will do now? Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Ese chilo Hari, Tarikano Jete Dili. Prahari Hoya Rohita Kunjera Dare. Srimati Radhika, she is saying, hey Lalita Visakhe, my beloved Krishna, he used to come in my Kunja as like gatekeeper. Gatekeeper? Prahari Hoya Rohita Kunjera Dare. Why did you allow him to go out? He had to stay outside of my Kunja as like gatekeeper. So saying this. Ese chilo Hari Tarikano Jeta Dili. Prahari Hoya Rohita Kunjera Dare. In this way, Srimati Radhika is crying and crying and crying. This types of lila is going on this way. Very difficult to understand what kinds of their man. Radharani's man is very sweet. Huh? You cannot understand. Very difficult. Are what you will understand? Lakshmi Devi she did not understand. Huh? Who is the consort of Lord Narayan in Vaikuntha? And even Rukmini, Satyabhama, they cannot understand also. These types of man, Brajman, Radharani's man. Huh? Understand? Rukmini, Satyabhama, they try to man also. But when Krishna become very serious, then man automatically what? Disappear. Man, guman ho gaye sab. Huh? Sab ke chala gaye. In this material world, if you do man, then you are thinking my husband will be pacified to me. Or your husband will become very serious. What will do? And slap you, then your man will go away. Huh? Understand? This man is Guman. Hey, man fun. So for this regard, Shastra is saying, Lakshmi Devi she did not understand these types of man, Srimati Radhika's man. What you will say, even Rukmini Satyabhama, not possible. Eh? Actually, this man only in the heart of Braj Gopis. Braj Gopis man, Jano, Shatadhare, boy. Braj Gopis man is as like flowing the stream of the Ganges. If you go in Himalayas, and many streams are coming. And thousand very strong and going this way. So for this regard, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamrita explained, Gopis man jano Satadhara boy. So Dhara means stream, going this way. And all their sweetness coming. And different types of the man. One is called Udatta man, another is called Lalit man, another is called Hetu man, another is called Ahetu man. Different man also. Without reading Ujjal Muni Grantha, you may not understand. Rupa Goswami Pad, he gave a very nice, beautiful example this way. They didn't understand this way. What is the meaning of the man? Even Krishna himself also cannot understand what kinds of man, anger, in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidiso Banaiva Saddod Jano Madhurima. Kidiso Banaiva Saddod Jano Madhurima. Then, so even Krishna, Nandanandan Krishna, he could not understand what kinds of man these were. Not so easy to understand. What will the jivas, they will understand? Nothing. So this is also the Sri Radhaya Pranay Mahima Kidiso Banaiva Saddojana Madhurma Kidiso Vamadya Shokhancha Madhunuda Kidiso Viti Lovat Tad Bhavadda Samajana Gorvi Satasin Sachi Garbha Sindhu Harindu. And this thing. So not so easy this. Just I was agreeing one word was this. Because Krishna, something he learned from Srimati Radhika. For this Krishna says, Radhikar Prem Guru, Amisisya not. Tahar Preme Amai Nachai Udvat. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna is saying, all kinds of prem, art of prem, I learned from Srimati Radhika. So Srimati Radhika, she is my Prema Guru. Who is original Guru? Srimati Radhika. So saying Radhikar Prem Guru, Amisisya not, Tahar Preme Amai Nachai Udvat. Srimati Radhika, she makes me dance. And everything. How to play the flute. I learned from Srimati Radhika. How to dance. Krishna is the best dancer. This is true. Understand? Srimati Radhika, she the best dancer. Nitya Kala. But Krishna also learned all this dance, everything from Srimati Radhika. Very nice, beautiful katha is this also. Once Srimati Radhika, she was sitting with her Sakhis, Lalita, Visakha and different Sakhis. But that time Krishna was not in there. In the meantime, Vrindadevi, she arrived. When Srimati Radhika, she noticed Vrindadevi is coming, then Srimati Radhika, she asked to Vrinde, Kasmad Vrinde, hey Vrinde, where have you come from? That time Vrindadevi, she told, I am coming from Tavakundat. I am coming from your Kunda, Radha Kunda. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked, have you seen my beloved Krishna? Well, yes. Well, where is he? Well, he is now on the bank of your Kunda, Radha Kunda. And Srimati Radhika, she is saying, I am here. Now I am here. Or my disciple is not in here. You understand? Where is Guru? Disciple should be there or not? Then what is the meaning of disciple? To be nonsense disciple. Nonsense disciple running here and there. Or bona fide disciple always following the footsteps of Guru. So Srimati Radhika is saying, I am here. Where is my beloved Krishna Govinda? Then Vrindadevi, she told, now your beloved Krishna on the bank of Radha Kunda. Kima kurute? What is he doing? I am here, or my beloved Krishna is on the bank of my Radha Kunda. Kima kurute? What is he doing there? That Vrindadevi, she told, Nritta Sikchayanti. Vrindadevi, she told, now Krishna is learning how to dance. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked Vrindadevi, Krishna is learning how to dance. Who is his Guru? I am here. But who is giving training to him to learn dance? And that time Vrindadevi, she told, hey Radhe, on the bank of Radha Kunda, Krishna is taking all the trees of bank of Radha Kunda as like your form, Pratichavi. So all the trees of Vrindavan, all the trees of Radha Kunda, when in the wind, just little bit bend, up and down, this way. Then Krishna is thinking, oh, Srimati Radhika, she is giving me instruction how to dance, how to bend the hand, how to bend my neck. Those who are expert dancer, they are learning with him, they understand. They are all the limbs and body, they also bend different ways. Are those who are not learning, nothing, anything, just doing this way. I like to be nonsense. For this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he told to his Sarup Damodar, and if Sarup Damodar recommended, okay, this is the perfect dance, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu accept, otherwise not. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cannot tolerate rasabhas dosh. Understand? This thing. Many people, they never learn anything. They are thinking thus, just going to the, what is it called, YouTube, and doing this, and this way, this. It's to be nonsense. But if you have to dance, you have to learn from bona fide persons. That bona fide person will give the perfect instruction to you. So in the same way, Vrindadevi, she told, hey Radhe, on the bank of all the trees, Krishna is thinking, this is the Tantam Patimurti. All the trees of Vrindavan as like your form. So when the trees on the branches will move this way, Krishna is thinking, now Srimati Radhika, she is giving me instruction how to move my this and or your neck, how to move my hands. Understand that? This is it. So this verse is very nice. How to do man, everything is also this. Time is over, no? Now 1:30, just I finish. Very nice, beautiful this katha is. One Krishna told to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, you gave me many instructions and I learned many things, one thing. But I want to learn one thing that is called man. What is it called? Man is very important, Brahma Bhav. So Srimati Radhika told, okay, I will give instruction that first you will give instruction about what is it called? Man. That's the theoretical. Then I will give the practical. Theoretical to write down. Then Srimati Radhika, she explained different kinds of man, hetu man, ahetu man, with cause, without cause, lalit man, and that is called what man I told? You forget. Without man. Very nice. Different man will be there. Just to remember the name, this is enough. Maybe another life you understand. One is called Udattaman, another is called Lalitman. So Srimati Radhika she is saying, hey Radhe, Srimati Radhika she told, hey Krishna, now learn this. Then Krishna told, okay, I learn everything from you. And that is called theoretical. Practical, okay. The Krishna told, I understand all kinds of man. But I cannot understand the Ahituki man. Ahituki man means that without cause. How possible man? Hetu man, if the hetu man, cause will come, that man will come, and cause disappear, then man will be disappear. This simple way. Or Ahituki man, which man is no cause, so how possible to destroy this man? Or without the give up this man, then hero and heroine, they cannot meet together. So Krishna asked to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, you also teach to me about Ahituki man. Which man? Ahituki. Well, what is that? Well, you turn your face east. I am turning my face west. Understand? You see it? Both. One is called back to back. Understand? You see it this way, this way. And not speaking nothing. Without reason. Then Radha and Krishna, they are sitting together. And how to break this man? Or without break this man, they cannot meet together. They are not speaking. This is way. What will do now? Very difficult to understand. And others man, when the reason coming, when the reason disappear, they meet together. But Ahituki man, causeless. How to break? How to break? Very difficult or not? So just first I tell you how to break this Ahituki man. Then I give an example, then you understand. Gurudev gave example, very nice, beautiful example. Listen very carefully. Then you understand. One very rich person, millionaire, what is it called? Trillionaires. Lot of wealth of money. But he committed one crime. Understand? Then judge have to give him death penalty. A lot of wealth of money. Because he crimed. That time he thinking how to save my life. Then he hired one lawyer. Lawyer means he is a liar. This is the duty there. And which is not true, they explain that is the true. And which is true, they proved untrue. This is the activities of lawyers.